Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn about the Things Board, which is an IoT platform. So you can think of Things Board as a control center for smart devices. Imagine you have lots of devices like sensors, machine, smart meters, yeah, trackers, which are sending data all the time. ThingsBoard helps you collect, understand, and act on that data in one place. Its main features are collecting data from the devices, then see the data on the dashboards, set some rules, then manage the device and even control the device remotely. So we'll see all these features in the ThingsBoard. When you will go to the thingsboard.cloud, you will see this dashboard. Here you can create your even dashboards, devices, many things. In this video, we are going to learn to create devices, connect devices, create dashboards, configure the rules, and create alarm, and then even create customer and share the dashboard. So, if you want to learn it from very basic, you can even go to the documentation of ThingsBoard. Here, you can see from step by step they have given all the guidelines. So, in this video also, we will do it with an easy project. So, we'll go on the devices and we'll create a new device. We'll add a new device and give the name as my device and simply add it. Just close this and you can see your device has been created. The status is currently inactive. So we'll go on and check that whether our device is working or not. So when you click on this, you will see all these details. You need to go to check connectivity. In connectivity, you can see you have been given about three URLs of three different protocols: HTTP, MQTT, and CoAP. You can select any one of it. We'll go with HTTP. I'll just copy the URL of HTTP and paste it in my command prompt. I'll open my command prompt and just paste this and I'll click on enter. After clicking on enter, this command of temperature equals to 25 degree will be sent to here. See, you can see the time, you can see the temperature and the value. So this is how you can send the data remotely. Now we'll create a dashboard to just see this data. Let's go to the dashboard and we'll create a new dashboard and we'll name it as my dashboard. And we will simply add this. After adding your dashboard, you can see your dashboard has been created. You need to create new wedges. So we'll click on this and we'll choose one like I want temperature. So I'll select one like temperature. I'll select my device like it is my device. If you have any other more devices created, all the options will be available to you. All the settings has already been done. If you want to change, you can. You just need to click add and you can see over here it is added to your dashboard. You can adjust its size for a better look. Now you can see the temperature dashboard has been created. Let's check whether it is working or not. So I'll again open my command prompt and I'll again give one command. Like this time I'll give the temperature as 15 degrees Celsius. Again I'll enter it and let's see. It has been changed to 15 degree Celsius. So now we'll add some more widgets like I'll add a graph. So I will just go to charts. Let's see what we can use. There are various options. You can go with anyone. Like I'll go with a line chart. I'll go with a line chart in which you will see time and with respect to time you will see how temperature is changing. So I'll just select the device which is my device. You can see all the values have already been mentioned over here. You can see y-axis, x-axis. You can even edit it if you want. I'll just keep it as it is. I won't change anything and I'll just keep a add. So you can see the line chart has been created. I'll adjust it. Yeah, you can see over here the line chart has already been created. So you can even see. Let's adjust it a bit so that it is more visible to us. So now you can see that line chart has already been created, and you can see the temperature just fallen from 25 to 15 degree as I have changed it. And now if you want, we can again just check and change alarm once. So go on the dashboard, well, print, let's say I'll print for 6 degree, and I'll keep on enter. Now you can see the alarm just dropped. So these type of charts you can make every 1 minute, it will update. You can see over here. Now let's do one thing. Let's create an alarm. In alarm, we will see that if the temperature rises below a set value, then we'll have a notification. So we'll just go on add widgets again, and we'll see that whether we have an alarm one or not. So you can see I have an alarm widgets. I'll go to alarm table, and I'll select my device as my device. Just on this, all these things, and add. So I've added an alarm over here. You can just I'll say you can just organize it better so that it is good to see. Like, organize it better, yeah. So now alarm has been created. Now let's set some rules for alarm. So we'll go on alarms, sorry, cancel, and first we need to save it. Now you just go to profiles and device profile. In device profile, you can see that there is a default device. You need to click it over here, and you'll see many things. You need to go to alarm rules, and you need to create a new alarm rule. So I'll give the alarm type, I'll give it cancel, I'll create a new alarm, then I'll give the alarm type, and I'll give it as high temperature. Yes, and we need to add an argument. So we'll add a device, and then we'll set our device and latency as it is. We'll give it as temperature and normally add it. So our device has been added. Now we need to add a trigger condition, that after how much temperature alarm should ring or not. So we'll add a trigger condition. It will be critical. We'll add a condition. We'll add argument filter in which the argument will be temperature. It will be in the basis of numeric, and we'll just add filter. At least one filter is required. Okay, so we'll add it, and we'll give if it is greater than static value. Value will be around if it is greater than 30 degrees Celsius, and I'll add it. I'll save this. I'll add this. So this alarm rule has now been created. So now again, let's go to the dashboard. This is my dashboard. You can see our widgets is already there. Now what we'll do is we'll again run a command on the command prompt. Now what I'll do is I'll raise the temperature to more than 30. Let's try it for 35 degree. Enter. So now you can see over here the alarm has been ringed. There is a critical servility, and you can even see the notification has already been there. So this is how you can set alarm and do many things on Things Board. You can see over here this graph is showing time and the temperature. The temperature rises to 35 degrees Celsius. So now even if you want to share this dashboard to anyone, you can even add your customers from here. You can add your customer, or you can do many other things from this. And this is the best IoT platform you can use. So that's all from this video. So you saw we created a device which is certainly active now. We created the dashboard which is looking just cool, like an IoT dashboard which we can control remotely or from anywhere else. So that's it from this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll see many more projects on ThingsBoard.